Hey Joe, wanted to just give everybody an opportunity to kind of see how your experience went, because a lot of people they're afraid of getting dental work done. It's kind of one of the biggest things that people don't get dental treatment completed or even get into the dentist regularly. And yours is a unique story from where you were at. If you wouldn't mind, if you could share a little bit about your journey, I think people would like that.
Okay. Yeah, it was scary at first. But after going through the process and doing everything, it's been extremely worth it, and I'm extremely happy. I smile now. And before I used to never smile. I was very self-conscious about my teeth and my smile, and now I feel like I over-smile sometimes because I like it so much. And eating's so much better. It's been a big confidence booster. So, it's kind of one of those things where you think about, you want to do it, and then you're scared to do it. And then with Dr. Apel, everything was very, very, very well done. And I was worried about pain because I'm very finicky about my teeth, and absolutely no pain. And it was a very good experience.
That's awesome. So people have noticed that you're smiling?
Oh yeah. I like the smile now.
You said something about steaks.
Oh, you can finally eat steaks now, and tougher foods, and it's limited on certain things, but you kind of figure it out as you go, what you can and can't do. But for the most part, I'd say 98% of whatever I've wanted to eat, I've been able to do it. So I haven't tried corn on the cob yet. So
That's the next challenge.
I'm going to avoid that for right now. But other than that, it's been great. It's life-changing.
Excellent. So you'd recommend it?
Oh yes, 1,000 times. I tell everybody, if you're thinking about doing it, just do it, and you'll be so much happier.
Well, it's kind of like you trying to figure out if you can do it. You can't find out until you come in and let us know that we can help you.
Yes.
So if we can make you be you again, I like you smiling.
Yeah, and it was like I said, it was definitely worth it. I'm extremely happy, and my family's happy because I smile in family pictures now, and I'm not all mean mugging. So, but
that is great. We really appreciate you, and we enjoyed working with you.
I appreciate it very much. So, thank you.